Welcome back to DataStatPro. In today's video, I'll show you one of the most powerful time savers in the platform, the Results Manager. You'll learn how to collect, store, and export publication-ready tables with their scientific write-ups, all in a few clicks. Let's get started. First thing first, go to the DataStatPro website. After signing in, click on the Open App button. Step 1. Get your data into the DataStatPro app. Let's import the Education sample dataset for demonstration. Click on Education Dataset. If a dataset with the same name already exists, you can import it with a different name or replace. Let's replace it. Before starting analysis, go to Data Editor to view the contents of the data. Go to Publication menu from the top navigation bar. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss Results Manager. Click on Results Manager. Here you can find the list of already saved projects. Next step is to collect results while analyzing data. Let's make Table 1 for research paper and save it to Results Manager. Click on Table 1 from Publication menu and choose the variables which you want to include in Table 1. Click on Generate Table 1. You will get a fully formatted APA-style table along with its write-up. At the bottom, you will find Add to Results Manager button along with other options like Download as Word. Click on it. From the drawdown, you can see Existing Project. Let's create a new project and name it Demo Project and hit Create. Now click Add to Demo Project button to save Table 1 under this. Now go to Publication menu and then go to Results Manager. Click on Open to view the current contents of our demo project. You can see Table 1 there. Let's add some more tables according to analysis plan. Go to Table 1A to make a summary table of Likert scale variables. Select all Likert scale variables from Learn Satisfaction 1 to Learn Satisfaction 10. Click on Generate Table 1A. You get the fully crafted APA-style table with contextual write-up. In the same way, click Add to Results Manager option to save it to your desired project. From the drawdown, choose Demo Project and hit Add to Demo Project. You can keep on collecting results in the similar way according to our analysis plan for the research paper or a project. Let me quickly add few more results. Table 1B for Summary of Numerical Variables. Add it to Results Manager. Make Table 2 for the comparison of response variable with different study factors. Let's make Table 3 for the correlation results. Also add a regression analysis table and keep adding results to Results Manager. There is a separate video on the construction and purpose of all publication-ready tables. Once you're done with adding all your planned analysis, go to Publication menu and go to Results Manager. Open our demo project. You can see all our 6 added results are listed here. Let's some more results. Go to Publication menu and now add SMD effect size or post-hoc tables quickly. Now once again go to Results Manager to see the updated demo project status. Here you can see the list of all analysis, which we added to Results Manager during our analysis. Click on Select All button, select all saved results, and go Export Results button. You can export results both in HTML and Word document. Export it to Word first, and save the file to your desired location and open it. Here we go. A fully formatted results section for your research paper or thesis is ready, with fully formatted APA-style tables and their scientific write-ups. Now, let's export the same results into HTML format. This HTML is ready to share or publish it on the web. The coolest feature is that the project can be securely moved to the cloud for seamless access across different devices. Moving project to cloud is optional. You can also save the project to local disk. From the Results Manager, click on Save Project to save it on your local disk. The project can be saved as JSON file and be opened anytime at later stage. I am Digital Avatar of DataStatPro, signing off. See you another informative video. Bye for now.